Hi, and welcome back. Now we are here in our actual cute little pop-up booth, and we have an actual client with us. We're getting ready to weld permanent jewelry onto her wrist. This is Miss Andrea joining us today. Very happy to have her with us. As we're getting started with the client, you want to give your sales pitch. Now, your sales pitch will be up to you. You want your sales pitch to match your personality, to match however you want to sell things, to match your booth. There's no one correct sales pitch. So spend some time with your family, with your friends, develop your sales pitch, and that will really help you as you're selling and as you are doing this. In your sales pitch, you want to answer any questions a client may have, alleviate any concerns, and really just help them feel comfortable. Remember, they are doing this more for the experience than they are for the actual jewelry. As you have your client, you want to help them pick out their chain for their bracelet, their anklet, anything they want. And remember, it's always a good idea to ooh and ah and gush over their choice. Let them know that, oh, man, that chain just looks so good on you. All that matches your eyes, whatever you would like. So for Miss Andrea here, she's already picked out the chain. Um, and so we have it right here. And now we're going to move the camera up close and we'll show you how to size the chain properly and get it ready for welding. We're going to grab our jump ring and we're going to open it just like we showed you before. So take it from side to side and open it side to side, not pulling it apart. Okay? This will be very helpful later. Now we'll have the client put her wrist down for us. I'm going to let her know that I'm going to be touching her skin and ask if that's okay. Is that okay, Miss Andrea?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. I want the other side of this chain. I'm sorry. Change that. All right. Now, as I'm sizing it, I'm going to go ahead and put this jump ring that's already opened on that last link. And I'll wrap it around here, and I'll move it over here to this link. And this is where having really good, delicate fingers is very helpful. I'm going to just go ahead and pinch it closed really quick. And now I can ask her, hey, do you like the way that feels? So she can feel that. Is that too tight, too loose?
Could I have it a little looser?
Yes,
a
we
little
can.
more loose?
And that is a good idea of putting jump ring on it just like that. Because now I can just open that jump ring back up and move it without trying to find it again. So if I come back in here, there it is. All right, so that was about two little small links over further. Does that feel better?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so you like that right there?
Yes.
Perfect. Now what I can do is I'm not going to cut the chain off yet. I'm going to go ahead and weld it just like this. Then I'll cut off the chain. That way, if I ever need to come back and find that same jump ring, it's already attached. I can always come back and find it, no problem. Now we're going to move over and we'll weld this. So we'll see you in the next segment for that.